Itunga lukotem ogoma o district aloko kumi kese pola lakanar aduta kesa pugan aritai yare ichinya kikany kanu adukiona esemero loko Dr. Aporu Okol Memorial Secondary School.
Otoma a site plan number engineers means of education. Betadum ni blocks de po betadum adu ko ni blocks top na kanyamon to mosemero nudi mudata tatu kono administrative block, computer lab, science laboratories, kedi teachers quarters, keda budi cholo ni nida. So a project le polo noi, nizo la jara ya lama o community lab menya.
Justin Orone, Apollo Kimpton, Loka Engineering, o district aloko kumi, ngese balebe, ebuni aswa mungin, ayanga kine karedio pe, keda tutubet.
Mna beiti alo city adaunu ila pio, itumuna kanyui. So akepologe unasa mwinolo, we expect by 22nd of June 2024 down a project lo.
Adukiona esemero kangol nesi yaponi Etegear ibian kotoma suban nuda ingari ni kit abwe kintone president washaki ahamada Etegear.
I want you also to monitor them. Chairman C3, you are here with your team. Monitor them. They are good at having those sites. He has one here, he has another one in Parisa, he has one in Soroti. But at times he doesn't have capacity to run them concurrently.
Aswamungin nade bunayanga ikin ikaredio peke datu tube nesingari ni kit atukot naka amuria farmers Keda Transport Limited ingari ni kite Fiona Amutos.
We applied for this contract last year and we were awarded the contract I think 2 months ago, so we were losing hope, but I'm grateful for today that it has come to pass. This is not the first time you're considering Amurian farmers. You considered Amurian farmers in the construction of a matting acid.
Christine Helen Amongin, Aporu, Apollo Naicholo, Local Board of Governors, Ngesi Shalam Kit, Apugan, Kanu Adutakin, Esemerongol, Apia Ingun.
This school is fed by Ogoma Primary School, Kamenya Primary School, Murua Pesur Primary School, and there are other schools, Kalapata, Nyero, those ones within Nyero sub-county and Ogoma. So we are so grateful that we are getting this huge construction that is coming on board.
Apolne Chololoka LOC5, Kokumi District, Nelson Lunga, Ngesi Lepit, Itungaluko, Ogoma, Anyinebe, Gangete Kesi, Adukona project Angol.
Challenge everyone that contractor Fiona has already been given challenges, that the most important one is the one that our DO did say, that we don't want at the end of the day to realize that we have 1, 2, 3, 5 girls dropping out of school because they were mismanaged by the team. No, that will not be good enough.
Gabriel Eseko Kanuka TV East, Co District Aloko Kumi.